Hi there. I'm Brian O'Leary from Pabian Partners. If you run a small to mid-sized manufacturing shop, then you're buried in spreadsheets, parts orders that don't match, production chaos. Then this video is for you. When you're growing, you've got more orders, more parts, more people, and suddenly your trusty spreadsheets aren't cutting it anymore. You're chasing numbers instead of building products. That's usually when owners start asking us, do we need an ERP? So today I want to walk you through exactly what that means, when you're ready, what to look for, and how to make sure it works for your business. Let's start with some usual signs that you may be seeing in your business. You're reordering materials you already have. A big order completely throws off your schedule. Your team spends more time updating spreadsheets than making decisions. And no one's quite sure which version of the data is right. If that sounds familiar, then you're not doing anything wrong. Your business just outgrew its systems. It's a good problem to have. Let's demystify something. ERP, that stands for Enterprise Resource Planning Software. You probably heard the term, maybe even sat through a few sales calls. But at its core, an ERP is just a single place where everything connects: sales, orders, inventory, accounting, production, and finance. It's not a massive corporate system. It's a smarter way to see your business without juggling 10 different spreadsheets. The goal isn't software, it's clarity. If you make decisions with data you actually trust. But here's the part most people don't tell you. An ERP won't fix bad data, messy workarounds, or unclear roles. If your bill of materials are out of date or your part numbers are duplicated, the system will just expose that faster. That's why before you even think about software, you've got to prep. Here's what we tell our clients to start with. 1. Map how work really flows from quote to shipment. 2. Clean up your data. No system can do that for you. 3. Talk to your team. They know exactly where the bottlenecks are. If you do that groundwork, implementation becomes much smoother. When you finally start to look at systems, focus on fit, not flash. Ask yourself, does this system fit how we really run the shop floor? Can we start small and grow into it? Can people using it every day actually see themselves working in it? Some businesses go cloud-based because they don't want servers or big IT team. Others prefer more control in-house. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The right ERP is the one that makes your day today simpler, not harder. Now here's the honest part. ERP implementation takes effort. There will be a learning curve. You will have to change some habits. But if you've done the prep work, you'll move through it much smoother. A good implementation partner will walk with you, testing workflows, cleaning up data, and training your team as you go. It's not about flipping a switch, it's about building a system that supports the way you actually work. Now, let me take you through how the life after your go live will look. Once you're live, things will start to click. Your team sees inventory in real time. Orders flow from quote to shipment without manual handoffs. And instead of scrambling to find answers, you're looking at dashboards that will show what's really happening. That's the moment business owners tell me, I wish we had done this sooner. Because the goal isn't software, it's clarity. It's spending less time putting out fires and more time building what you love. I hope this helps. Let us know when you would like to learn in the comments below, and we will bring these topics to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep learning about all things ERP. And visit our website at www.pabianpartners.com. Thanks.